Hey guys, on this episode of Nev's Garage, we're going clear. Well, hang on Tom Cruise, don't get too excited. I know you're a subscriber to the show, and we're not talking about your secret little club. We're talking about these. Clear front indicators. These are going to replace our factory amber indicators, and they're going to look sick. Let's chuck them on. Alright, so let's get our factory amber ones out. It's real simple, just need a Phillips screwdriver. And we're just going to undo the screw all the way out. And then just push it out of the lock tab at the back. And then it's out. Okay, simples. So there's our old one out. Now we're just going to clean around the aperture with a rag, like that. Now because our new lenses are clear, we have to swap out the clear indicator bulb for an amber coloured bulb. Okay, now it's always a good idea when you're fitting new bulbs to smear them with some dielectric grease. Okay. Just to promote connection and prevent corrosion. Alright, so just put it on the back or the base. Remember guys, it's always time for lube. So we just pop him in factory base like so. Right, wipe any excess lube off the tip like that. Okay, so now we just take our filth new crystal light and pop the bulb in the back like that. Now we just do the reverse of taking it out, so we just pop it in with the back tab there and hold it against the front like that, while we just pop the original screw back in and find the captive nut and screw the screw in. Like that. Don't over tighten it because you don't want to break the plastic. And she's in. Alright, let's do the other side now. Okay, so obviously the same thing with this side. Just unscrew the factory light. Take the bulb out. Give it a bit of clean. Swap in the amber bulb. And then put our sick new light in. That's it. Alright, so there we go. Let's have a look at how they both look. Pretty cool. Alright guys, well that's our clear indicators fitted. They look pretty filth. Now I reckon maybe if we were to, say, fit some clear park lights, make it look even filthier. And you know what, if you'd have pressed subscribe, wherever that button is, you might even get to see that next time. That's it for this episode, but thank you for liking and sharing. We'll see you next time on Nev's Garage.